The weekly code quiz. Starting this week, we are introducing something new. For those who have been following on from the beginning, it should be a good review. Those who have just joined in may need to go back to watch some of the older videos to catch up. The weekly quiz will help reinforce concepts. So let's begin. See if you know the answer before it gets revealed. Put it in the comments if you would like. What is HTML? Hypertext Markup Language. What is the purpose of HTML? HTML defines the structure of a web page. What do HTML elements do? HTML elements tell the browser how to display information by identifying the content. What do HTML elements consist of? In most cases, they consist of two paired tags, an opening and a closing tag. Write out an opening tag for paragraph text. A less than sign, the letter P, a greater than sign. What differentiates a closing tag from an opening tag? The presence of a forward slash. A less than sign, a forward slash, the letter P, a greater than sign. Tags act as containers that describe the information that lies within, in this case, paragraph text. To recap, an HTML element, a less than sign, the letter P, a greater than sign, paragraph text, a less than sign, a forward slash, the letter P, a greater than sign. We hope you have enjoyed our first weekly code quiz. All feedback welcome. Presented by Designers Learn Code.